Hello judges, I will be demonstrating you about the website of PostPipe. First is the dynamic page. We have combined various types of backend components, means Next.js backend components, CLIs, and made different types of templates. For example, e-commerce system, auth, admin, shop, upload, profile, different kinds of things for different CLIs. User can just hover into one, click copy CLI, paste it into their terminal, and he is good to go. His backend will be configured for currently one database, that's MongoDB, and we are working on Cosmos DB, Postgres, and different type of other databases, SQL and NoSQL both. Next is the static part. For the developers who are working in HTML and React, they don't need to like create a dedicated express backend for each MongoDB or any type of database. For first, he will come to here in a create form. Then let's say the form name is test, local connector to connector updated, and let's say second. So connector is a deployment that the user will create from our website. He will fork the repository, our repository, then he can deploy it into their Azure. We are emphasizing on Azure as Azure gives a very fluid flow of the deployment. Now let's uncheck these fields. Here he can create, update, or delete different kinds of fields. After he hits save form, a HTML will be generated that will have all the fields, and it's a working HTML. He can just copy paste it and let's say run this HTML. Let's say yeah, I will be submitting the HTML, and here we can get the success equals to true message. Hence, the data has been submitted to their MongoDB successfully. And we have intentionally kept this page as this page isn't working. We haven't created this page as the user can modify it by himself. That's what the whole website of PostPipe. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.